So today is our 5th day in Maui and we are doing road to Hana. Let me give you a sneak peek.
I think we are at Waikamoi Streams and Waterfall. Right, honey?
Yes, our first stop for today.
First stop on road to Hana. It's supposed to be Twin Peaks, but we did that yesterday.
No, glad we did.
Don't worry, guys. You will be left breathless and wishing you were here. But you know what? I'm here to document it for you, so don't worry. A lot of Jeep Wranglers here. You don't need one because we have a 2005 Toyota Corolla that's amazing on gas. Probably get 400 miles per gallon, probably. Oh yeah, and I didn't tell you this the last time because I didn't notice it before, but the waterfalls have healing properties. My neck pain was all gone. Not even neck pain, it was like a cramp or something. Amazing. It's a nice little waterfall there. Kind of slow, you're going super. Wow. Alright guys, I did the rope, now I'm just gonna do a cannonball. That's the highest one. Alright folks, this is what our ancestors did. And quite high here. Very muddy, barefooted. Crazier than a lot of stuff going on. Oof. Alright friends, we're doing it. We've got a rope here in the waterfall. And there's Honey watching the camera. Alright, I'm ready. We'll wait until that guy goes and then we'll go.
What do you know that I'm so comfortable?
Woo! Honey, count 1, 2, 3 for me. Woo! friends, we are at Auntie Sandy's Banana Bread. This is stop number 2 on the road to Hana. Yeah, there's many stops of watering holes and arboretoriums. Is that like plants, sanctuaries? But you know what? You need like 2 whole days to see everything. We're only doing 1 day, so maybe next time. Because we already booked the hotel. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Aunty Sandy.
Yeah. For the kids.
Oh, it's just fresh off the oven, honey.
Oh, wow. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Hold on, honey.
Very light flavor.
You had to get that one and leave that extra stuff. Oh, I can see banana right here. Right here.
Alright guys, I'm doing the salmon noodle with soup and garnishes. Do it! I think that's the same guy. You guessed it, we're doing more jumps. They're therapeutic, damn it. It's like going through the jungle. Wow, let's see this guy jump first. Muddy. Do not try this home, peeps. Trained professionals here. Have you been up here? No. I think it's that way. I think it's this way. Sounds like it. Ouch. You can't go back down now.
I mean, we can, but it's like, do you want to?
Woo-wee. Wish me luck, future kids. I survived! Alright kids, you gotta have to do this. Daddy did this at very old age.
Can you get the underwater?
Yeah. I think you just go over here and use the bathroom and then...
Tissue on the back of it.
No?
Hey, you put it on the camera, recording us talking.
It almost looks like black sand. Fresh fish. Alright people, we're at Wailua Falls, the last waterfall. Wow, look at that thing. Don't worry, we're gonna get a little bit closer for you. Alright. Okay, hold on. Wow. Yeah, let's get over the road first.
Get off the road.
Oh yeah. There's a path there. I'm sure there's people. Here, put the phone in. There's people down there. Wow.
This one seems like the coldest.
Yeah. Well, the sun's coming out, so we're good. It's windy too. We're doing it, guys. This is our third waterfall?
Third waterfall.
Yeah. Wailua Falls. Let's go. I'm gonna jump from up there.
No.
You see that ledge right there? I'm climbing up. Oh, I wonder if I could get up there and jump up.
Are you gonna jump from there?
Yeah.
No way. Oh
it's the same as the other waterfall. Temperature? Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. It's warm once you get out. Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous. This is probably the best one out of all 4 that we saw.
So far it said not to take the King's Highway.
Yeah, I read that too, my rental agreement. So we took it. There's seven sacred pools. So we can go to 7 sacred pools to get, you know, mutant powers.
7 sacred pools?
Yeah, that's what he said.
7 sacred pools. Careful.
People go down there and go in the water. Alright friends, we are at PPY Trail. Oh, so dark here, honey. Here, look. Where are we?
Hi. We are walking through to Bamboo Forest. The trail called.
What's this park called?
PPY Trail.
PPY Trail, guys. It's the last stop on the road to Hana. It's past Hana actually. And you need a $30 park ticket to get in. So do it within 3 days of your Hailekala volcanic sunset or sunrise tour. Here we go. There's a bamboo forest here. And a Wailua Falls. Seen at the end of 2 miles. I'm not sure if we're gonna do 2 miles though because we've done a lot today. You'll see how we feel 1 mile in. Enjoy the time lapse. Banana tree. Oh, yes. PPY. That's not his name, obviously. He's a wild dog with a collar. I know, what's going on? Slow down, PPY. To be continued. PPY?